During large and widespread outages, Emerald People's Utility District follows a well-established process to restore power as quickly, safely, and efficiently as possible. The process, also known as the Steps to Restoring Power, maps out the 5 areas of focus in the order they must be followed. The first step is to check transmission lines. Transmission lines deliver power to EPUD from faraway generators. EPUD gets most of its electricity from Bonneville Power Administration, or BPA. If BPA's transmission lines become damaged and cause power to go out, EPUD's crews must wait for BPA to restore power to their lines before repair work can continue in EPUD's district. Transmission line outages can affect tens of thousands of homes. Next, local substations are checked. This is step 2. Substations have the important job of converting high voltage power from transmission lines into lower voltage power for EPUD's distribution lines. If an entire substation is down because of an outage, it can affect thousands of customers, and repairs can be slow. Thanks to recent improvements to EPUD's electric system, in certain situations, service can be restored to large areas by having power delivered from another source, while substation repairs are being made. The third step is to check distribution lines. Distribution lines deliver electricity from the substation to a city or neighborhood. These are the standard power poles seen most often in neighborhoods or alongside local roads. Outages on these lines can affect hundreds of customers, and repair times can vary widely, depending on the type of fault or damage that has occurred. EPUD prioritizes repairs on distribution lines based on the number of homes and businesses impacted. Crews restore power first to areas with the greatest number of customers. The fourth step is to check tap lines. Tap lines carry power from distribution lines to a specific group of homes or buildings. As with distribution lines, tap line repairs are prioritized by the number of customers affected.
We get a lot of questions as why is the guy driving by my place, the power line is down right here. Not all the vehicles you see are going to be linemen. We have tree trimmers, we have personnel from the office, bird doggers, and there's just the lineman personnel that are qualified to make repairs. Our concern is above, we need to get the main line energized to get the most amount of customers on we can, and then we come back through and get the service drops up to the houses.
The fifth and final step is to check service lines. Sometimes damage will occur on the service line between the house and the transformer on a nearby pole. This can explain why you have no power when your neighbor does. Customers are responsible for all wiring and equipment below the weatherhead, including the meter base and breaker panels. For these repairs, the customer must call a licensed electrician.
So you've heard it before, stay away from down power lines. It's critical. That means well away, and it means every line, whether you think it's a power line or a phone line, whether you think it's energized or not energized, whether you're in your car or you're on foot or whatever. When you see a downed wire, assume it has electricity in it. Stay well away from it, please.
Emerald People's Utility District is committed to providing safe, reliable power. To report an outage, log on to the website, use the free SmartHub mobile app, or call us at 541-746-1583. For outage updates, visit epud.org or follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube.
If you see a down power line anytime, call us, contact us. We'll get on it. 24/7, we're there.
On our website, you can also find important tips on preparing for and weathering extended outages, including food safety and generator safety information. We do our best to ensure that you have as few service interruptions as possible, but sometimes weather conditions or car accidents will cause the power to go out. When major outages happen, you can trust our crews are working together to have power restored as quickly as possible.